Hello there, let's talk about the Mubview Smart PTZ indoor camera SD card recording. I have my camera with SD card inserted already and it's recording there every time there's motion in front of the camera like this, okay? So let me just move this box from here and bring my cell phone so you can see that I have the camera here in the app. It's live. Let me just get some focus here. Here we go. And when I move my hand here, you see that's live. And when I click here into history, I can check in the timeline that I have some recordings, right? So every time there's an event, like motion detection, for example, it starts recording and then I see here in the timeline, you see I have some bars that indicates that there are some recordings there. I can click here and select here to see all the day, or I can expand so I can see it better, right? And I can also come here to the calendar and select the dates that I want to check for the recordings. And something else that I have to do is to make sure when I here on the live menu, I need to make sure that I have the motion detection enabled, right? As you can see here, when you connect to the camera, you don't see at first that that's enabled there because it's still connected to the camera. You see trying to connect. Okay, now I have connected and I see this blue one, the motion detection, it's enabled. Just be aware of that. When you click here, you also see the configuration for motion detection. You have low, medium, and high. And also have here the custom mode. Then you can select the time for the recordings and also the alarm area. When I select here, you see this green area. That's the area that's going to be recorded. You see here that I don't have this area selected, so it's not going to detect motion here, neither here on this area, right? Only on this green area. Just make sure you have this correct when you're configuring your camera. Okay, motion detection enable, and also you need to insert the SD card. In my case, when I insert the SD card, I just need to come here and look for recording management. And here I have the SD card, then I can format it and also can enable event recording, okay? Let me just turn off the camera so I can show you the SD card there. So the idea is just turn off your camera, so I'm unplugging it here. And then I can check here on the bottom of the camera. There's this slot for the SD card, okay? Just move myself from here and I can show you better that I have the SD card here. When I push it, I can remove it from here, just like this. So here I have it. And when inserting the SD card, it needs to face that way. So you put it here and you just push it until here click and it's done, right? Back here, I'm just put the camera here and plug it again to power. So the camera is going to boot up and I bring my cell phone back here. And now I need to wait at least 30 to 40 seconds so the camera can boot up and I see the image back here, okay? So let me just wait for it, and also I come here to the live view and wait for the camera to boot up. It's trying to connect at first because I'm just here in the live menu, but I just need to wait for at least 30 to 40 seconds before the camera can boot up. So here we go, the camera is up. I see live image there and I'm good to go, okay? So I'm just come back here to the setup and record management. And here I can format my SD card. So I click here, click OK, and wait for it to format. So it comes from 0% to 100%, and then you're good to go. There you go, 100%, it's done. Then I come back here and go to the main screen, have the live image again, just make sure that's there, so it's working. Then I start moving in front of the camera, moving this box in front of the camera just to test it. And when you do that, just be aware that when you come here to history, at first you're not gonna see any videos, you see? No video available, but you just need to wait for a while. Okay, the camera is going to record, but it takes a while to show here in your app, okay? So just be patient, come here, you can also come here to select the entire timeline for the day, and you're good to go. Just be patient because you're gonna see here the camera recordings as long as you check here correctly the calendar and also you check here for the day, okay? So it's going to work anyway. So that's the way you can insert an SD card into this PTZ camera, the Mubview Smart PTZ indoor camera, and set up the recordings. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.